How does the presence of a large pool of unskilled labor impact agglomeration economies in India? It increases overall productivity. It often negatively impacts productivity by creating labor market imbalances. It creates a more favorable investment environment. It directly enhances localization economies. It often negatively impacts productivity by creating labor market imbalances. Explanation: a large pool of unskilled labor in India, while seemingly beneficial for low-cost production, can lead to labor market distortions. This can manifest in wage stagnation for unskilled workers, hindering their ability to invest in skills development and innovation. It can also lead to increased competition for limited skilled jobs, driving up wages for skilled labor but without a corresponding increase in productivity. This mismatch between skill levels and job opportunities can negatively affect overall productivity in the economy. Moreover, the presence of unskilled labor may create a less attractive environment for higher-skilled workers seeking employment, thereby further limiting innovation and economic growth. Why other options are less suitable? It increases overall productivity. While unskilled labor can contribute to production, the potential negative consequences of labor market imbalances usually outweigh any limited positive impacts. It creates a more favorable investment environment. A large pool of unskilled labor doesn't inherently create a more favorable investment environment. Investors often seek skilled and productive labor to drive efficiency and innovation, which might be lacking in a predominantly unskilled labor market. It directly enhances localization economies. While a large workforce can contribute to localization economies in certain ways, the negative impacts on overall productivity and skill development are more substantial and far-reaching in this scenario.